What's up guys, today is gonna be a video about bounce effects and I got two sprites ready, the basketball and the ground. The ground is gonna have no codes and you just have to position it in the right spot. For the basketball, I got it from the scratch sprite. You can just search up ball and then you get the basketball right over there. And there's other balls and stuff. So now we need two variables for this. So I'm gonna make an x velocity variable and a y velocity variable. And obviously you don't need x if you don't want it, but it's good if it's there. You get to move the ball sideways as well. So for events, let's get a green flag is clicked, motion, go to 0, 0, and then we will reset both variables to 0 as well. And then we can go to, forever. Actually, we might just raise the ball a bit because, there's nothing wrong with that and just makes it bounce more. And we can, for y, -1 and change x by plus. And this is a tiny bit interesting method. We can get 2 multiplication and an input 4 here and -4 here. Go to sensing, get a key pressed, put it in both of those. In my case, I'm going to do arrow keys for now because that's simple, and it seems like you guys use arrow key a lot more. But in key, you're not going to use arrow keys. Right arrow is D key, left arrow is the A key. Now we can change X and change Y by X velocity and Y velocity. And then we can do if, again, we can do that before the change X and Y. And then we're going to create a block, name it bounce. It's the main block of the video. And then we can create an input, name it bounciness. That is the bounciness of the ball. So we can just put that there. And then we'll get touching ground because why not? And then we'll do 0.85, I think should be fine. And we will set x velocity to multiplied and x velocity multiplied by 0.9. And for that, I'm just going to put it right there. I'm going to put it right there. And then we're going to get a repeat loop for the bounce, the define bounce block. And then we're going to go to operators, get the ABS. It stands for absolute value. It makes a negative value into a positive value, and it rounds it up, I'm pretty sure. So let's get the y velocity. We can put it right there. And then motion, we can change y by 1. And we can get an if-else statement right under here. And then we can get greater than. And then we can put 3, duplicate this y velocity. Now what this if-else statement does, it gets rid of unnecessary super tiny bounces. It looks like it's glitching to the ground and stuff, so we really don't need that. So that's why I'm going to put the if-else statement there. Now we can get the set y velocity and quickly duplicate that and get a multiply block on the first one, duplicate the absolute value of y velocity, and get the bounciness. One more code we are going to do is go to event. When key space is pressed, we can change y velocity by -20. This will give, basketball sort of an effect. When we press space, it bounces down to the ground and then it bounces back up. Now, that's a bit much, so I'll make that 15. As you can see, the ball is bouncing pretty nicely. Now, it seems like it's barely going down, so what do you want to do for that? What you want to do is make this value lower, like that. So now, if we go, it's shrinking drastically. But I think 0.8 is 100% fine, so, and then I can just press space to do this and stuff. So, that's how you make the bouncing effect. In the next tutorial, I'll be back with a cloud leaderboard. So I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Peace.